Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we got an episode of Worker Work. That's right, our Worker Work series is the behind the scenes life and the day-to-day operations of a GPU mining farmer. So we got another good episode of Worker Works for you guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. As you can see here, we've been working with our patch panel and our networking. In previous episodes of Worker Work, we've kind of showed you that we've had some temporary things. We've been moving lots and lots and lots of GPU workers around. Well, as you can see here, you can kind of start to see I've been running some permanent networking. Got some Cat 5 going on there. So we'll get down to where we're at so far. And here on these 7 and 8 GPU workers, I still have to get these ends ready. Same thing here, gotta get the ends ready. Gotta get the ends ready here, but we temporarily set everything up so that we didn't have any downtime. That's right guys, you don't want any downtime when you're moving rigs, or as minimal as possible, because we are trying to put the most points in our bag. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is a good time. Hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner, and what that's gonna let you do is keep up with Worker Work series and all of our other shenanigans. But you can kind of see here, I got the track finished up. These ones are all nice and set up here. So, pretty excited about this. Team's been working really hard. When we move this many GPUs, we do lose some. You guys know risers and such, so the team's been working really, really hard to get these GPU count back up. But we're going for a steady GPU count while making this move and getting this permanent networking done. So, I've got that networking done permanent for this all the way through here. I still have to work on here. We still got this top row till we get to here, and then we've got that. So 90 total workers that we've got here on this row. So we got our little flashlight and everything here, and I know you guys are going to beat me up on this, but you guys can kind of see a little bit of our cable management and stuff working here at the patch panel. First time doing anything this heavy, or as a maximum of doing this, but trying to make things look good for you guys. I know cable management's important. It's something you've heard me talk about. So I can't wait to get this wrapped up and let you guys actually see this section. So this is one section. Holy cow guys, there's another one. We're working on getting more of those 7 and 8 GPU workers down here. We've got 10, count them, 13 GPU workers left in this part of phase 2. But wait a second, come on, there's more. We got networking and networking and networking. You can see, same thing. Temporary stuff, and we're gonna mirror it. So, man, we are in the grind here. If you guys like these kinds of videos, make sure you hit the thumbs up. That way other people can see these. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in the Worker Work series. You guys have been giving us some great ideas, and we are gonna get those for you in those Worker Work series. We got a lot of videos to doing. Keep an eye out for some other things, but over here is where we've been moving those 13 GPU workers, and we've got 7 and 8 GPU workers left. We got to get in that section, and then we're going to mirror this. You guys, this is nuts, but we're getting prepped for something big, and I can't wait to show you that. Probably going to be the biggest thing we've ever brought to the channel, but we got racks on racks on racks, networking galore. Plus we've been dealing with the heat. All you guys in the Midwest know it's warmed up. It was like 60 degrees. So we've been working on making sure that that evaporative cooling wall is going. And it sure is, guys. That thing is cool. It is cold here right now. Oh, what are those? Those are pressed GPU worker holders. But there's nothing in there. As always, huge thank you to the team out here at GPU Mining Farm. You guys are nuts. We're having a lot of fun. We're getting stuff done. Still trying to crush records. We got to get this move. We got to get it done and ready for those other things. We've got big things happening. We'll have a lot of open spaces here, so we really can't wait to show you guys that. But make sure you comment down below. Let us know what you want to see in the Worker Work series. Man, thank you guys, the community, for having us out. Thanks to the rest of the team as well. It takes a huge team to make this GPU mining farm work. But that's what we've been working on here. Majority of today is some networking, guys. But things have started to cool down, so we are going to shut the evaporative cooling wall off tonight. And we're just going to get back to the airflow. But with our networking, we have so much networking to do. Comment down below, let us know how many feet or miles of Cat 5 cable you think I'll go through. I'm getting ready to tally up what it's gonna take just for this one row. As always, huge shout out to Doge Lord Apparel. Man, we got some really good stuff coming out from there. Crypto and hot rods, Nemesis, GPU Jesus. Oh my gosh, guys, we got a lot of other things coming down the pipeline. Got a lot of stuff we got to talk about. Can't wait to get that stuff going. But wrapping up this episode of Worker Work, some networking stuff. Oh, I want to show you guys our little crash. Let's see here. The crash networking card. You know, you got your all the fun stuff here that you need to do some networking, your zip ties, all that good stuff. So that's what we've been doing. I mean, one full day and a half of just networking only. Our stability has allowed us to do these kinds of things. We are using HIVEOS. In the description down below, we got links to this and everything else that we talk about. But HIVEOS, I mean, the stability, the reporting, I know you guys hear me say that a lot, but when you've got hundreds of GPU workers, you need that instant reporting. We've been having less than 6 or 7 workers offline overnight when we're not here. So that's amazing. And that's even with moving these rigs, guys. We've moved hundreds of workers in the past week, and we've only lost a few GPUs. So that just attests to the hard work the team's been doing, the stability that HIVEOS has been giving us. We will do just a video on HIVEOS, show you guys some more things on that as well. But as always, guys, thank you guys for your time. This has been an episode of Worker Works. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.